officer. Ikaw ay naaral sa Sala Inciting Division ng Branch 77 Quezon City. Acting presiding judge, Enrico Pascual Aguino. You have the right to remain silent. Any statement to make may be used for against you or any court of law in the Philippines. You have the right to competent and independent counsel to be of your own choice. You cannot afford the service of counsel. The government will provide one for you. Do you understand this?
Understand. Thank you.
You have the right to demand physical examination by an independent and competent doctor. If you cannot afford the service of the doctor, the state shall provide one for you.
Understand.